Hello, hello, hello. Hi, Trevor. I have Trevor Henry with me. He is the CEO of Precision Painting, and he's going to tell us a little bit more about what he's doing. I am Charlene Williams. I'm in real estate. I've been a broker for 15 years, and I'm currently with Real Estate HOMEWARD, and I am going to introduce Trevor now.
Hey there, how's it going? My name's Trevor Henry. Can you see me?
Yes.
Yeah, perfect. Yeah, Trevor Henry from Just Right Precision Painting, and yeah, I do uh, interior painting, kitchen cabinet refinishing as well, and I'm also developing and working on a painting robot.
Okay, Trevor, how long have you been doing this for, Trevor?
So yeah, for the robot by itself, a couple years, but I've been painting for just over 10 years, roughly. Yeah.
Okay, and so in your 10 years, I guess you came across this robotic paint mechanism, for lack of better words,
Yeah.
that you think makes things easier. Can you tell us a little bit more about that?
Yeah, for sure. So, pretty much, I kind of combine both my experiences. I also studied mechanical engineering in college, and I pretty much fell in love with robots and machines and whatnot. So I was always trying to think of a way to make it faster. And so yeah, I came up with a painting robot, and pretty much the goal is to have it fully autonomous, so essentially working by itself. Um, and mostly for 80% roughly of the job, so priming, painting, first coats, and then the painter will do the cutting and the final coats and whatnot. But yeah, right now we're kind of semi-autonomous, and we have a mobile app that you can control the robot on and view progress of what it's done so far. Yeah.
That's really, really good. We all know kitchens and bathrooms sells homes, and in order for you to develop this type of product, I mean, I can just imagine how many sleepless nights you had trying to figure out how to work it.
Yeah,
Can
no, definitely.
Yeah, can you elaborate a little bit about that? Because here's most people won't be able to put two and two together, but you're
Mhm.
putting up you've put together something that is a manual job, which is painting, and
Yeah,
you've automated it.
yeah.
And that's huge.
Yeah, thank you. Yeah, I mean, pretty much. Yeah, I'll include some of the links at the bottom as well, so you guys can view videos and whatnot. But yeah, pretty much. So it has these wheels called omnidirectional McCunham wheels that allow it to kind of slide back and forth without changing the orientation of the robot. So it can go this way, that way, forwards, backwards, and 360, just by controlling either these two wheels or these two wheels or all wheels all at the same time. So that's one portion of it, and the other portion is it kind of has like a kind of like an elevator system that brings the sprayer head and nozzle up and down.
Right.
So it's just like a proof of concept prototype right now. It only goes to about 5 feet, but obviously the next level we're going to need about 8 feet, 12 feet. Um, Probably going to have to be telescopic, so just so it's easier to carry around in and out of trucks and whatnot. But yeah, that's pretty much how it works, as well as so it has a sprayer system on board just above the electronics, and the version we have now can do about it holds about 1 gallon. But the next version we're going to need to make it bigger so that it can hold about 5 gallons or even 10 gallons, really, stack them on top of each other. But
Right. That's fascinating. Like, I remember when you debuted it to us at the Black Queens of Durham lunch, and the
Mhm.
room was just erupting in applause. Like that to me, you've cut the time in what, half,
Yeah,
quarter?
definitely at this stage, about half. Yeah. But definitely in the next version, a quarter. Yeah.
Right. And I understand that you also have it where you're looking for investors. Am I right about that?
Yes. So yeah. So there's an online platform called Equivesto, and they essentially allow people to invest in small businesses and startups and whatnot. And typically, it's you got to be like an angel investor or something like that. But their platform allows anyone to invest as low as $100. So our goal is to raise about 250K um, from our investors, and minimum investment being $500. And yeah, but you can invest up to 5,000, 10,000. We're going to be giving away roughly 10% equity, so the crowd essentially will collectively share that equity. Um, and yeah, I'll include those links as well.
So that's amazing. Is it being rolled out right now? I wouldn't mind investing.
Yeah, yeah, thank you. Yeah, definitely. So my Equivesto, right before you allowed to launch on the platform, they give you like a coming soon link.
Right.
So yeah, I have that set up right now, and it'll be rolled out shortly.
Okay, so if you can include that link as well in the
Mhm.
bottom, that would be great. Um,
Definitely.
yeah, I is there anything else that you want to tell us about? Because I think this is fascinating.
Hmm.
Again, I'm a realtor, so what I do is sell homes and buy homes for my clients. And
Yeah.
at this point, do you really, if you don't have to sell and get a new mortgage,
Hmm.
why go through that? You can build equity by refreshing your kitchen, your bathroom, the rest of your home with paint, with Trevor
Yeah,
services, right? So
definitely.
that is a
Hmm.
good thing. Um,
Yeah. And it's also going to be a lot for like commercial projects as well, like new construction, cement floors, fresh drywall. Um, yeah, so in that way, you don't really have to worry about too much cleanup. But yeah, definitely for new houses as well. Um, but yeah, we're working on a system that essentially reduces all of the overspray so that it's a clean process as well for your average home that is already fully renovated as well. But I'll show you my coming soon page here. So this is the Equivesto website, and
oh, wow.
yeah, so you can if you're interested, you can hit this button here, and yeah, so
There's Trevor. That's
yeah,
excellent.
that's me.
They make
Yeah,
it very
so
easy for you to invest or even to find out more information about the project if that's what you want to do.
definitely, yeah. So and yeah, you could also follow me on Instagram as well. So Instagram at Just Right Robotic, and you could see some of my videos and whatnot. Uh,
Yeah,
so you
let's
can,
include that link as well
yeah,
for your
yeah,
socials because it's very interesting. And like I said, when you debuted it to us, the whole room erupted in applause. It's life-changing, fascinating. It's just
mhm,
it's a great thing to have, that's for sure, and if you can do that to your home and in
yeah,
terms of, refreshing and renovating, everybody knows renovating takes a long time, and it usually goes thousands of dollars over what your budget is, and,
yeah,
if you can keep something like that in line, that's a tremendous plus for everyone.
yeah, definitely. And so yeah, so check out my videos here. I mean, I'll show you, just a quick little browse through here, but yeah, here's like the simulation video that you can check out, as well as some of the actual movement at the bottom. But
Okay.
yeah, just right robotics. Um, and yeah, but yeah, so I'll include all of these links. And yeah, so for my investors, I'm thinking of doing like an investor giveaway. So if we hit our target, I'd like to give away 50K and use the 200 for essentially developing the fleet. So I'd like to develop about 5 to 10 robots, and the rest will be used for R&D and kind of taking the next step, essentially. But
Right.
yeah, we'd like to become generate revenue. I'm generating revenue by myself, and doing regular painting at the moment, of course. But
Hmm.
we'd like to generate like robotics revenue and get them out there in the industry as soon as possible. Yeah, but yeah, there's a questionnaire actually. So if you go to if you go to Just Right Robotics
Okay.
and on Instagram, and let me show you that one more time. Can you see my screen right now?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. Perfect. So yeah, there's a link here in the link tree, the bio, and I'll bring you to all my links. So yeah, there's a form here, investor form. Oh yeah, here it is. Yeah, so you could also fill out some information here. So this is where just a couple more questions,
Hmm.
as well as the bottom here, because I just kind of like to get like the understanding more from the crowd and see what they would like as a giveaway at the end. So either
Right.
10K for 5 people, split it up a bit, 25K for 2 people, or 50K for one person. But
Right. Right.
pretty much like say 75% said this one, then I'd probably do that one, or vice versa.
Wow, that's good. You get the crowd involved. I like that idea.
Yeah, definitely,
Okay.
definitely. Also, if you'd like to see more information, you can view my pitch deck right here. Um, Schedule a call as well, and yeah,
So
that's
everything is there in one place. I like that idea as well.
yeah.
Very organized, Trevor.
Thank you, and yeah, so you can check this out on my YouTube page as well, just by Robotics. But this is a little promo video we got going.
Okay. So we'll
Yeah,
include a link to that as well on our
definitely.
broadcast.
Mhm. Yeah,
Excellent. Thank you so much, Trevor. Thank you for explaining this to us. And thank you once again. Like I said, this is
yeah.
an amazing product. It's
Thank
so
you.
good that you developed it. I'm hoping that you get it patented and trademarked before anyone
Yeah,
else gets there. And
for sure.
I wish you all the success. And if you want to get a hold of Trevor or want any information about his product, we will have all of the links in our broadcast at the bottom.
Yeah, awesome. Thanks for having me.
Thanks.
Bye.